Hello everyone, welcome to IT for Biomedical Student Series Part 3. So this one I will skip. We have seen this many times in the previous video. So what are we going to see today? So we're going to see transmission modes in the networking world. We have three types: simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. So what are the big differences between these two? Mostly the devices, what is being used in the networking world. People say that we support this mode, we support that mode. Usually they say half duplex or full duplex. So let's look at it, the differences between the modes, and one by one. Simplex. So simplex is a single device which is sending the data, and other devices is only listening. So in this scenario, when we say that this is a simplex scenario, meaning the device A is always the sender, device B is always the receiver. So the device B never ever will send the data back. So it's just only the one-way communications, unidirectional. That's what we say. It's unidirectional. Only one device can send the data. The device can only receive data. It never sends the data back. So it's just only one way. So it's just like this. It moves from one direction to the other direction. As simple as that. There is no way that the device is going to send any data back from device B to device A. It's always act as a receiver. So the second type is the half duplex. Half duplex is bidirectional, which is better than the simplex, which is widely used as well. So it's bidirectional. So both the devices A and devices B can send the data and share the data among each other. But only one device can send the data at a time. Meaning, if device A is sending some data, the device B will be in the receiving state. It won't send anything. So once device A completed the sending process and keeps quiet, it's in the idle state, the B will start sending the data, so that the A will become a receiver, so it will receive the data. So only one devices will be transmitting and other device will be receiving. So it's vice versa. So only thing we need to be very careful in this is half duplex situation. They don't send the data and receive at the same time. For example, A, it either sends the data or receives the data. It won't sending at the same time. I mean receiving at the same time. So it just either send or listen. So it's same thing for B. Right, so no data is available on the line. I mean, not both the data are available on the line. So it just works like this: one A sends it and B was listening, now B is sending and A is listening. So that's how it is, half duplex. In fact, all the Wi-Fi devices are half duplex, because Wi-Fi medium, the standard is a half duplex standard. And the full duplex is the top of the hierarchy. It's bidirectional, and both the devices can send and receive data at a time. So the sender A will have a point or connections to send it to the B, and a pin, or the receiver pin, or the Ethernet connections to receive the data from the device B. So A, no matter what, whether the B is sending or not, it will keep sending the data it wants to send it to B, and B, it will just send it to A, no matter whether A is sending or not. Even if A is sending, B doesn't care, it will still send its data to A. So device A can act as a receiver as well as the transmitter at the same time. So for example, in this scenario, you can see A is sending and B is also sending. At the same time, A is receiving and sending, so that's how it works. So this is a very simple concept, though, like the differences between the simplex and half duplex and full duplex. This is what we have seen in this video. It's a very simple concept, but it's still we need to have it learned. So we often hear this word in one of these words in the medical field. Mostly the half duplex and full duplex is what we hear. Simplex, it's something we don't hear normally. Thank you for your time. In case of any questions, drop me an email at mtmlearning@gmail.com. Share this video with any of your friends in the field, so they can learn from it. Thank you so much for your time.